Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Harshil. So in the previous video we have seen the align attribute in the HTML, that how it works, and now in this video we will learn the HR tag in the HTML, and I have made one file for that as hrtag.html. Now I will write our first basic syntax, okay, and I will write the title as HR tag in HTML. Okay, so if I save it and if I open it in my browser and refresh, then you can see HR tag in HTML is my title. Okay, so now first of all, what is the full form of HR tag? Okay, means HR. So HR means horizontal. Okay, so this HR tag will draw me one horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, so if I write here HR and close it, okay, so this HR tag is one of the tag which is not required to close it. Okay, we have also seen the BR tag, and the same condition is there also, that it is not required to close it, and same as HR tag is not required to close it. Okay, you can write like this also and this also. Okay, both are correct. And now if I save it and refresh here, then you can see it has drawn me one line. Okay, you can see it with covering whole window. And if I write here something like heading, and if I save it and refresh, then you can easily see this line, horizontal line, and we can separate, it is used for separating two values. Okay, we can say that two paragraphs or heading and paragraph. Okay, something like that. Okay, so if I write here p tag, and if I give the put the dummy text, okay, and something like this. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see the dummy text is here. Okay, and here first is the heading. Okay, then comes the horizontal line, and then comes the dummy text. Okay, so this is how we can separate two things. Okay, and if I write here like HR, and I'm giving here its attribute, which is the width. Okay, so width equals to, let I say, 50%. Okay, so if I save it and refresh here, then you can see the width is decreased from left and right 25 so I get the 50% length. Okay, 50% width. Okay, so this is how we can change the width. Okay, and if I align this heading at the center, okay, then you can see it is some type of a topic one, which is heading. Okay, and on that topic there is written lots of paragraphs. Okay, so this is how the HR tag is useful. Okay, to separate two things. Okay, and here if I not write this align center, okay, and you can see the heading comes here. Okay, so I can use align here also. Align equals to left. Okay, so if I save it and refresh, then you can see the my horizontal line goes to the left. Okay, and here is the heading. So this is how you can use the align attribute and width attribute in HR tag. Okay, so I hope guys you understand it properly, and if you have any query, any doubt related to this HR tag or previous videos topic, then you can ask me in the comment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.